What's up, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a canard out of ABS plastic. We're going to be bending it so it gets that shape, and then we're also going to be bending this and then gluing this piece on. But you don't glue it, you just use this painter solvent or MEK. Right there it says replaces MEK. Actually just put this stuff on here and it just melts itself, and it literally just basically welds itself together. So things you're gonna need: a 1/8 or 1/4, this is 1/8 thick sheet of ABS plastic. I got this off eBay. Just go on eBay and look it up. Everyone asked me for the links, but like, I don't know. Sorry, getting a bunch of links is like super annoying when you could find it so easily. Just type in eBay, ABS plastic sheets. You could pick your own size. This is a, I believe it's 12 by 24 inches. So you want to get that. Get your cardboard. So what I did with this is, so I had a cardboard sheet. Okay. So say this was all one piece. I literally just like decided, I just cut out my own shape, and then with scissors I just cut it out. I just put it on the car like in a rough shape. I mean, it's cut all weird, like super deep in here because I was like putting it right here and weird stuff. But yeah, I just like put it here and mocked it up. Make sure it looked kind of cool. And I just set it down on here and cut it out. So you're gonna need this: sandpaper, MEK, a Dremel, a heat gun so you could bend the plastic, and then spray paint if you want, but you don't need this. Make sure you got your safety glasses. We're just gonna cut the rest of this out. Got it out. Grind all this hard stuff down before it's too hard and dries. After I cut that, I'm gonna bend it with the heat gun. So I'm just gonna time lapse all this, but I'm gonna bend it with the heat gun to make this bend right here. And what you want to do is keep going back up to the bumper of your car and making sure it fits. Keep walking up to the bumper, you know, making sure it all fits and everything. I almost forgot to make the bracket, but this is the bracket. We're going to be bending this. Literally heat gun it until it becomes super soft, and then just bend it in the middle. So it makes like an L. But you don't want a full 90 degrees. You want it, whatever is going to fit your car. You just got to test it. Alright, so update. Use this thing to bend this. Just kind of bend it like that. But then you gotta curve it. So you get this, put it up next to the car, heat this up again, and then I cut some slits in it so it bends easier. And then I just put it up against the car, or I put this up against the car, put this on it, make sure it molds to this curve right here, and then put it on the car, and then make sure that is flush. So once it's all good, and what we're going to do next is glue this to this. So we're going to make this one piece. Get a paint pen, draw it out like that, and then glue it on. Alright, so I got this bracket all cut and everything, and this all bent. They're both bent and cut, ready to go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pour some of this into something that won't melt, so just like a Tupperware or whatever. I'm going to use this brush and just paint it on the inside right here and on the top right here, and stick these together, and I'm just going to hold them for a little bit. And then I'll just put something on here. It doesn't matter if you put something that bends the plastic down because it'll just go back to shape. I'm gonna pour this MEK or painter's solvent in here. So it can start gluing itself. So I'm just kind of sticking this on. You can actually hear it kind of sticking. I'm gonna go walk over to the car and just make sure that this is all straight. You can hear that sticking. Alright guys, so here's how they'd look with them on. Can't really see that over there, I wish you could. In person they look pretty sick, but I don't know, it just might be too much for my car. I'm probably not going to put them on. I'll put these on someone else's car, but yeah, that's what they would look like. They're just hanging by tape, obviously. They're about to fall off. Okay, now that they're not hanging all weird, they actually look a lot better. Because I used duct tape. That's weird. I was like, I'm totally not going to put these on, but now I want to. Alright, so I kind of went just ain't care. So I'm not going to show any of the drilling because I know that's going to trigger some people. My videos tend to trigger a lot of Mustang purists, Camaro guys, and random guys I don't know. But yeah, so basically what you want to do, drill in here, drill in your bumper. I know this is making a lot of people cry right now, I'm so sorry. But you know, it's my car, I just didn't do what I want, so. I mean, look at it. I think it looks pretty good, so. Just drill, rivet, get your rivet gun, get a cheap one. Just put it on like that. Push, palm, and boom. It's on. Ooh, that is strong. Well guys, I hate to break it to you, but they're on. Honestly, I do hate to break it because I'm sorry that I did this, but I wanted to. I think it looks pretty sick. Jeez. Dang. They're pretty sturdy. The gap opens up right here, and the gap on the other side is way worse because I didn't. I should have accounted for that. But let's see. I won't hurt you guys. It's okay. It's just a car anyway. Yeah, looks kind of sick. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hope this doesn't trigger too many people. But yeah. Took like 3 hours to make. Dang, looks pretty dope. I like it. Alright, subscribe.